एक लैंडमार्क नया बिल्ड हो रहा है इस्लामाबाद में, which has its own significance in Pakistan. This is basically what we call interactive art. In a very simple term, an artwork which responds to an environment. When Telenor approached me and commissioned me to come up with some ideas, and when I visit the building and this environment, what I was getting inspired by looking at this building is to go back to these pillars, these monolith pillars which exist in environments like these Stonehenge, these Menhir, these Ashoka pillars जो subcontinent में exist करते हैं. अगर आप इसकी विजुअल सेंसिबिलिटी देखेंगे तो इट हैज़ अ स्ट्रेट फ्री स्टैंडिंग appearance, right? But then the moment I start evolving the design, start triggering all these questions कि उसकी form कैसी है, उसमें movement क्या है, उसकी design elements आपस में किस तरह से coherent define कर रहे हैं. For me to come up with some kind of form which has both day and night sensibilities. इसके अगर आप ऊपर देखेंगे तो ऊपर इसका एक top है ऊपर which is facing upwards. So if we talk about the sensibility, you know, it has this idea of reaching out to sky. The design itself, if you look at it, it actually looks like it's floating. If you look at the tower from that end, you will see they're talking to each other. The building has mirrors all around. How you can make something which is reach out to all the people, right? So if you go and look around, you will see that mostly a portion of this piece from everywhere. I produced two apps with it. There's a mobile app and then there's a tablet. And on the tablet, you can actually, as an employee, you can actually drag and drop these elements and you can play with it. It's about 60, 70 people. The builders, the programmers, the light fixtures, the electricians, the wiring guys. I'm happy and glad कि हम यहाँ पे public space level पे art को promote कर रहे हैं. We went through different designs, we went through different concepts. I wanted to sort of do something where everyone can engage with the work. So I'm thinking about more possibilities of, you know, how other data points can become part of it, how we can make it more exciting into the gaming side of it, you know, how we can play more with it, how audience have more control on the visualization of it. So all those possibilities.